Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a rigid tank with a volume of 6 foot cube. It is saturated mixture with refrigerant 134A, pressure of 50 psia, saturated liquid at 21%. Find the quality and total mass. Step 1. Draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknowns. Alright, step 3, find the quality formula. So X is equal to mass of the vapor divided by the total mass. So we're going to find the mass of the vapor and the mass of the total, or total mass. Alright. So we can knock out both part A and B all in one go. Step 4, find the total mass formula. So it's the mass of the fluid plus the mass of the vapor. Step 5, find mass of fluid formula. So it's the actual volume of the fluid divided by specific volume of fluid. Step 6, find the volume of fluid, so it's 6 foot cubed multiplied by 21%, which is 1.26 foot cubed. Step 7, find the specific volume of liquid. So you go to your pressure table because that's what they give you. They give you your 50 psia. Go to specific volume, go to saturated liquid, your VF. That is 0.01252 foot cube per pound mass. So LBM is pound mass. Step 8, find the mass of the fluid. So from step 6 and 7, that's where you got these values for the actual volume of fluid and the specific volume of fluid. So you got the actual volume divided by specific volume, plug and play, you get 100.63 pound mass. Step 9, find mass of a vapor formula. So it's actual divided by specific once again, but for vapor. Step 10, find the volume of vapor. So it's 6 foot cubed multiplied by 79%. You get 4.74 foot cubed. Step 11, go to your property table for the pressure table. Then go to your specific volume saturated vapor. It is 0.94909 foot cube per pound mass. Step 12, find the mass of vapor. So the values are in step 10 and 11 previously. Okay, once again, you divide the actual by the specific volumes. You get 4.99 pound mass for the vapor. Step 13, find the total mass, so you add them together. You get 105.62 pound mass. Alright. And step 14, we want to find the quality, so mass of the vapor is 4.99 lbm. Step 12 over here. Total mass, step 13 over here. So you got the mass of vapor divided by mass of the total. So you'll get 0.04724. It is unitless because the units cancel out. 1 second, let me just grab the formula once again. Alright, so disclaimers, the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC. Just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on the video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.